Architectural fabrication, new Atlas assembly. You'll see here there's an impact, a drill gun, a grinder, an electric pop rivet gun, but you also need a tape measure, a 4-foot level, and a hole saw. You will need to start off by finding your elevation of your system, as well as the center. Once you find your center, refer to the installation package as to the placement of the remainder of the support beams. Once you found the center for your beam, install the bottom bracket and the top bracket. As you can see here, these holes were already pre-drilled. Be sure to level both of these brackets. The next step is to install the support beam. Once he has the support arm in place, he will be using through bolts to attach. He has connection points on the bottom and on the top. This next step, you will need to add the tubing on the back side. This particular tubing is a 2x2. You need to center it, measure on both sides to verify that you have it centered. The angles you see here will be used on the support beam to support the gutter. Next, you need to attach the gutter to the support beams using the angles previously installed. After you install the gutter, be sure that it is centered on the system. You can verify this by measuring the back tubing and the front tubing to the inside beam. After you verify the drain location, use your hole saw. Cut out a hole in the gutter. You can use a drain cup, some silicone, and a PVC pipe. Make sure to leave the PVC pipe long enough to be at least 1/8 inch below your finished soffit. Now you need to install the roll form deck band. You see the two attachment points on the back side of the canopy where we previously installed that 2x2 tubing. Continue these steps for the length of the Atlas. Next, you need to measure and cut for your flashing. You can use that 2x2 tubing as your connection point, or in this case you could use tap comms to connect it to the wall. Next, you need to secure the angles. These are used for connection points for the C channel. Be sure to check the C-stud for levelness. These are the fascia clips that will be used to support the fascia. The next step is to install the J-trim. This is the soffit panel you will need to install. As you can see, the back side of that soffit panel needs to rest inside of that J-trim. Just continue this process for the entirety of the Atlas canopy. Once you have all the soffit installed, you now need to start on the side of the Atlas. Measure from the front all the way to the wall and cut your piece as needed. Install a front piece of fascia, securing it to the fascia clips you previously installed. Now install the scupper to the soffit. Now just clean and wipe everything down. Now your Atlas canopy is completed.